Hi, this is Lakshmi, Educational Counselor in Information Cum Career Counseling Center. Today I am going to talk about Mamata Medical College regarding PG cutoff for 2020 in KNRUHS counseling. Let me explain in detail. Mamata Medical College is a private medical college, one of the top college in Telangana. It was established in 1998. Mamata General and Super Specialist Hospital as 1000-bed hospital attached to the college, which is located in Khammam district, Telangana. Coming to Information Cum Career Counseling Center, it is a Bangalore-based registered company. Our head office located in Bangalore and regional office in Hyderabad and West Bengal. Our website is www.i3c.tech. For further details about PG colleges, fee structures and courses, kindly log into our website, that is www.medicalneedpg.com. Medical Need PG counseling in Telangana is conducted by KNRUHS. Medical Need PG counseling is divided by two. One is CQ, that is Competent Authority Quota. One more is MQ, that is Management Quota. Seat matrix is divided into two categories, CQ and MQ. Wherein CQ it is 50% and coming to MQ it is divided into three categories, MQ1, MQ2 and MQ3. MQ1 is the management quota which has 25% and MQ2 is the NRA which has 15% and MQ3 is IP quota which has 10% of seat. Let us see the important points in KNRUHS counseling. Management quota open to all. Whoever is eligible in NEET PG can apply in management quota. Competent authority quota domicile students. It means where students have studied 1 to 12 and MBBS in Telangana can apply in this quota. Only Telangana and Andhra Pradesh having a 10% of IP quota. It means institutional preference quota. Management quota only once application they will publish. For MQ, the application will be published only once. Sliding is allowed till mop-up round. Now I am going to explain you about cutoff for Mamata Medical College in CQ quota. Now let us discuss one by one. First, ST category, seats under CQ quota. If you take MD General Medicine, here the cutoff was 44,974. If you compare with other college cutoff rank, here you can see that only Mamata Medical College is holding the highest cutoff rank in ST category for general medicine. If you take MS General Surgery, here the cutoff was 50,685. If you compare with other colleges, here the Pratima Medical College is holding the highest cutoff rank, that is 76,835. Other colleges is not reaching up to 40,000. If you take MS OBG, here the cutoff was 53,509. If you compare with other colleges, this is the highest cutoff rank in ST category for OBG course. Next, if you take SC category, here for MD General Medicine, cutoff was 15,304. If you compare with other colleges like Pratima Medical College, here the cutoff was 24,118. If you compare with other private colleges, it not reaching up to 20,000 to 25,000. If you take MD DVL, here the cutoff was 16,201 in ST category. If you compare with other colleges, in Medicity it is reaching up to 31,535 cutoff rank. If you take MS Orthopedics, here the cutoff was 37,115. Here if you see compare with other college is having only the Chalmada Anandarao is reaching up to 72,411 cutoff rank. It means the Chalmada Anandarao is holding the highest cutoff rank in MS Orthopedics in SC category. Now let us discuss about BCA category in Mamata Medical Colleges. If you take General Medicine, Pediatrics, Anesthesia, TB, DVL, Radio Diagnosis and Psychiatry, there is a no seat or allocated as per seat matrix. If you take MS General Surgery, here the cutoff was 18,780. If you compare with other colleges, is not gone up to 22,000 rank cutoff. If you take MS OBG in Mamata Medical College in BCA category, here the cutoff was 13,093. If you compare with other colleges, it's not gone up to 10,000 cutoff rank in other colleges. Only one Mallareddy Medical College cutoff rank is gone up to 17,946. Next, we'll discuss about BCB category. If you take pediatric in BCB category in Mamata Medical College, here the cutoff was 7,392. If you compare with other colleges, the cutoff is not gone up to 10,000 cutoff rank in other colleges. Here for general medicine they are not given seat as per the seat matrix. If you take radio diagnosis, here the cutoff was 6,790. If you compare with other colleges, the cutoff rank is not gone up to 7,800 cutoff rank in BCB category in other colleges. If you see for MS Orthopedics, here the cutoff was 31,511. So, if you compare with other colleges, this college only holding the highest cutoff rank than other colleges. Next, we are going to see about BCD category in Mamata Medical College. Here, for general medicine, they are not given any of seat as per the seat matrix. If you take MD Pediatrics, here the cutoff was 8,914. If you compare with other colleges, only the Mallareddy Medical College is holding the highest cutoff rank in BCD category. If you take MS General Surgery, here the cutoff was 23,176. If you compare with other colleges, it is not gone up to 20,000 cutoff rank in BCD category for MS General Surgery course. Next, we'll going to see about open general category. Here you can see that for MD General Medicine, the cutoff was 6,233. For MD Pediatrics, here the cutoff was 6,502. For MD Anesthesia, the cutoff was 21,341. If you see for MS OBG, the cutoff was 9,969. Finally, we are going to discuss about BCE category. Here the cutoff was 14,203. If you compare with other colleges, only the Mamata Medical College is holding the highest cutoff rank for Muslim minority in BCE category. In this page, we are going to see graphical picture of the CQ quota for Mamata Medical College. Now we see ST category, which is holding highest cutoff rank than other categories cutoff rank. If you take MD General Medicine, ST category holding 44,974 cutoff rank. If you compare with other categories, it is not reaching till 15,500 cutoff rank. Like that, if you take MS General Surgery, ST category is reaching up to 50,685th cutoff rank. But if you compare with other categories, it is not reaching up to 25,000 cutoff rank. Like that, if you take MS OBG, in ST category, it is reaching up to 53,509. If you compare with other categories, it is not reaching up to 30,000 cutoff rank. In this page, let us see the MQ fee structure for Mamata Medical College. If we look for B category in clinical degree, that is 23 lakh. For paraclinical, it is 6 lakh 60,000, and non-clinical degree, it is 1 lakh 70,000. If we see for C category, wherein the fees for clinical, paraclinical and non-clinical is up to 3 times of B category. Note, as per the order of High Court of Telangana, only 60% of fee, that is 13,80,000 collected by college for B category in last year. Now let us see the MQ1 final cutoff rank for Mamata Medical College. If you take MD General Medicine, here the cutoff goes up to 19,313. If we compare with other colleges like Pratima Institute of Medical Science, their cutoff goes up to 16,113. If you compare with Medicity Institute of Medical Science, their cutoff goes up to 19,938. If you take MD Pediatrics, their cutoff goes up to, in Mamata College, 16,557 cutoff rank. If you compare with other colleges like SVS Medical College, their cutoff goes up to 14,225. If you compare with Pratima Institute of Medical Science, their cutoff goes up to 20,934. If you take MD DVL, here the Mamata College cutoff rank goes up to 10,850. If you compare with Pratima Institute of Medical Science, their cutoff goes up to 18,377. If you compare with Medicity, their cutoff goes up to 10,410. If you take OBG in Mamata Medical College, cutoff rank goes up to 21,850. If you compare with other colleges like Pratima Institute of Medical Science, their cutoff goes up to 21,343. If you take an SS Medical College, their cutoff goes up to 20,601. In this page, we are going to see the graphical picture of management quota final cutoff for Mamata Medical College. If you take MD Psychiatry, you can see that the cutoff reaching up to 92,211. Like that, if you take MS ENT, that is reaching up to 74,878. If you take MD Pathology, it is reaching up to 83,145 in Mamata Medical College. Now let us see the seat matrix for Mamata Medical College. If you take MD General Medicine, totally 6 seats are allocated, wherein MQ1 3 seats, MQ2 2 seats, MQ3 1 seats are allocated. If you take MD Pediatrics, totally 4 seats are allocated, wherein MQ1 2 seats, MQ2 1 seats, and MQ3 1 seat. If you take MD DVL, totally 2 seats are allocated, wherein MQ1 1 and MQ2 also 1 seat are allocated. If you take MD Radio Diagnosis, totally 3 seats are allocated, wherein MQ1 1 seat, MQ2 1 seat, and MQ3 1 seat are allocated. If you take MS General Surgery, totally 4 seats are allocated, wherein MQ1 2 seats, MQ2 1 seat, and MQ3 1 seat are allocated. If you take MS OBG, totally 4 seats are allocated, wherein MQ1 2 seats, MQ2 1 seat, and MQ3 1 seat are allocated in Mamata Medical College. Now coming to package. The service charge for NEET PG counseling and guidance in information cum career counseling center, we charge rupees 25,000, which includes application notification updates, SMS alerts for all states, stepwise application filling guidance for Karnataka, Pondicherry, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. NRI general fees updates, cut-off marks, round 1 to mop-up round, SMS alerts, guidance for NRI document for MCPC or state counseling, direct NEET PG admission for all clinical, paraclinical subject for best package. Thanks for watching. For further guidance, kindly contact 8844999761 or WhatsApp 7406244111 or email to my email ID lakshmi.i3cblr@gmail.com. Our working hour is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Like, share and subscribe.